Hey everybody, Tim Armstrong here with Tim Armstrong Marketing. And I want to show you how local restaurants can get more business by using ManyChat. It's a simple process of putting a link in your ad that leads to a ManyChat chatbot. So, without further ado, let me show you. Okay, so here's a sample post that I made on my test page, Marketing Crash Test Dummy. So as we scroll down here, you can see here is my post where I say, hey, Eastern Shore residents, come give us a try. We'll give you 20% off the pizza of your choice, a couple terms of the coupon redemption, and here's the link. Okay, so here you can see a picture of a wonderful pizza and an offer of 20% off. So when people click the link, here's what happens. There we go. So we click the link in the ad and it pops up on the phone. And it says, congratulations, here is your coupon. When you're ready to redeem this coupon, show it to the cashier and click the redeem button below. So when we click the redeem button, it asks us, are we sure? Do we want to redeem it? Because if we want to, we can save it for later. And it just goes back into the hold pattern. And then when I want to redeem it, I just simply hit redeem. Okay, so am I sure? Yes. Now when I'm standing there picking up my pizza, the cashier will tell me what my total of the order is. So I get my 20% off. She tells me, or he tells me what the total is. So now I'm going to go ahead and enter in that amount. Let's say the total order is $47. So I'll just go ahead and hit 47 and put it in there. And it thanks me and says, okay, great, we'll see you next time. So now my coupon is redeemed. Now what happens behind the scenes is all that information gets stored in a Google Sheet so you can track your return on your investment. The Google Sheet captured my Facebook user ID so that I can use this to create lookalike audiences or retargeting audiences for later. It tells me the date that I opted into the bot, first, last, and full name, and the coupon value so I can track my return on my investment. Every time somebody redeems a coupon, this information gets stored so that you can track your results because your marketing needs to be trackable, right? You need to know what kind of a return you're getting. So that's just a fantastic feature that you can do with ManyChat. All right, thanks for checking out the video. And just keep in mind that you can do this with any business and any offer. You can set up a simple automated conversation that runs behind the scenes that captures information, delivers information, and engages people on autopilot so that you can grow your business with ManyChat. I'm Tim Armstrong with Tim Armstrong Marketing, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.